How to add numeric values within cells in Microsoft Excel. To start off, first we're going to populate a couple of cells with some numeric values. So for A1 here, we'll give it 2, and for B1, we'll give it 3. Now there are two ways that we can go about adding these two cells together. The first one that I'll show you is just by using the plus symbol. So first we'll enter in equals, and then we'll click on the A1 cell and then plus the B1 cell. Now you hit enter on your keyboard. It'll add the two cells together just like that. For the next example, let's put 4 in A2 and 5 in B2. This time we'll write the equal symbol again. Instead, this time though, we'll write sum, and then with parentheses, we will select these two cells. You can click on one and drag to the other, close it with the parentheses, and hit enter. And it'll give you the sum of 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And just one more way we can do sum again. Say I want to add the total of C1 and C2. I'll just write equals sum. Doesn't matter if it's capitalized or lowercase. Parentheses. Select the first cell, drag it down to the second one, close, and hit enter. Let's say I only want to add the cells of A1 and B2. Well, I can't do for the sum function click and drag and just do the B2. If we do that, it gives us 14, and we know 2 plus 5 equals 7. So something else we can do is get rid of the sum and then just do A1 plus B2. And that's all there is to it. Or we could do equals sum. If we wanted to do the sum function continuing, we could just do A1, close the parentheses, plus sum B2, close the parentheses. So now we're adding two sums together, and you'll notice we get the same result. So that's just a couple of ways that you can go about adding numerical values within cells in Microsoft Excel.